नियाज अहमद.
नियाज अहमद. आयची गेम तुका कशी
आयज आमी बरें खेळ्ळे. लास्ट 2 गेम पिड्यार आनी आमकां मस्ट बीन आहलोली आनी अशें आमचे टिमीचे कॉन्फिडन्स वाडोवपा लागून एक मस्ट बीन जाय आमकां आनी लास्ट 2 गेम पिड्यार जाला आमी that too with really less margin. We scored, then we took. Again also we scored, then we took, but we come back and we are happy as a team we won the game. And we look forward to win the other upcoming games.
What is your future plans for there?
So my future plans are to I want to be a coach as well. I'm trying to play as high as I can to develop the grassroots and the upcoming generation and to develop the game in the country.
What is the message for the young players that's coming in the field?
Young players, I want to give a message that keep working harder. Your opportunity will come. You will get to a certain level where you want to be, and don't go behind the money or the fame. Show your game. Let the game talk to, and everything will come automatically behind your back. And just keep working harder. Keep working harder. Keep working harder.